Hey everyone, this is Larry. Welcome back to Today I Feel Like. This is the GoDonut Universal Stand, and if you've seen my previous videos about it, then you know that I love this thing. Well, now they have the GoDonut 360, which is the same sort of stand, but on a swivel so that you can move it in circles, so that you can rotate this thing around and view it wherever you need to. And yeah, let's just pop this open and see what this thing looks like with the swivel screen or the swiveler. And so yeah, there we go. And I think there's actually some instructions inside here. So all right, there we go. Now we can see here it says operation of the Swivel 360. It says to rotate, swipe either direction, left or right. To stop the rotation, slide snap lock as shown. And then it says, and then it shows right here where you have a top thin part, bottom wider, snap lock must be positioned as shown, wider base bottom, thinner part top, and must be positioned on a flat surface. All right, so there is that, and it looks like it's actually already on here, I think, but let's go ahead. Oh yeah, I see right there. So we can swivel this like that, and then when we want to stop it, so we can just go ahead and swivel that in, and then it's locked into place. So that's kind of cool. So if we just want to let it swivel, we can just go ahead, boom, swivel it, put it where we want it, and lock it back in. But I imagine if you don't really want to have to worry about it, you can just leave it on there and swivel it any way you need to. So, all right, let me grab my phone here. And first off, let's just put this right here. So there we go. We have my phone in there. And now we can swivel this any way that we want it to go. If you have your tablet and you're worried, well, this little thing's not going to support a tablet, you're wrong. It is going to support a tablet. All we do is set it right there. Boom, look at that. Perfect. Swivel that bad boy around and you can have this going whatever angle it is you want. Find the angle, boom, lock it down, you're good to go. All right, everyone, so there you have it. That is it. It's super, super simple, super awesome. No batteries, no nothing. You just simply pop your phone or your tablet into the stand and it's super easy and awesome. And it swivels. I mean, look at that. That's just so cool. I mean, I can't tell you how many times I've been in here in my office, my studio area, and I'm like sort of messing around, doing stuff, cleaning up or getting prepped to do a shoot here. And I'm watching a video at the same time, and I go from one end of the room to the other. It's so easy now if I can just go ahead and boom, swivel it, boom, swivel it. Just that simple. It makes it so much easier and convenient. I hope you enjoyed seeing this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up.